I want to get some work done on the Jeep today, but first we need to wash it because it is disgustingly dirty. Ross Creek is, we brought it home with us, let's just say that. So we're gonna pull it out, get some stuff going, get it washed, cleaned, and then we can work on it. Here we go. The Jeep is clean and ready to go, we can start working on some more stuff that needs to be taken care of, and that has to do with the rear of the Jeep and specifically a spare tire carrier and bumper. Right now I just have a plate on there from Barnes 4-wheel drive. I love the look of it, it looks great, but with the Jeep being so light in the rear, I think I need to add some more weight. Typically you're taking away weight, but I need to add some. So I have my old spare tire carrier that I've run on this platform, and I've had it for over 10 years, and I'm going to throw that on there, put the spare tire on, drive it, see if it balances the Jeep out anymore, which I'm 99% sure it is. The Jeep's just so light in the rear that I think the bouncing is from there being no weight. So if I add some, it'll be fine. I typically have always run a spare tire. It's rare that I take it off and wheel or drive around town without one. Just me personally, I've always preferred to have the peace of mind of having a spare tire carrier and a spare tire, whether I'm in the middle of the woods or taking the Jeep 2 hours away. I like knowing that I have the spare tire, not only for me, but for someone else that might need it in my group if they can run the same setup. We'll take this off, throw my old one on, throw this new tire combo on there, and then we'll take it for a test drive, see how it goes. I'm sure it'll be better, but less talking. Let's get to unbolting and bolting. So there's a massive difference between the bumper I just took off and the one thing on. Because this thing probably weighs probably 5 times the weight of that previous one. So it's massive, it's heavy. So I mean, it'll add weight, but a lot of weight, too much weight. So, but that's kind of what we want right now. This isn't, like I said, the long-term goal or long-term solution. I want to make my own bumper, spare tire carry and all that fun stuff. So let's throw this big mother bricker on. Okay guys, wish me luck. I'm going to attempt to do this by myself. I don't think I'll be able to. Ah, so freaking heavy. All right, I'm gonna recruit my brother. It's just easier. Whew. All right, I recruited the help of my brother. I tried putting this on by myself and it didn't work. So, okay. Yeah. You have that bolt right there, and then it'll just screw right into here. See this? So basically, you just need to get it up. It's a heavy, you know what? So
through the bottom one?
Top one. Let's go top and top, yeah. Okay. All right, ready? You may need to get down on a knee and then like hold it up on your knee like this. Want me to hold it?
That's it.
Okay. So yours in? Mm-hmm. All right, cool. I got it from here.
Okay.
That was terrible. Let's get the rest of this stuff on. Get some grease for that. Okay, so when we bought this spare tire carrier, it came with the bolt pattern for a TJ, and then this is an adapter for a JK wheel because that's what I ran last. So take this off. I bought another adapter. Wheel adapters are expensive. These, 2 of them, I know these are just Amazon special because they were delivered literally overnight. That's why I got them. But 120 bucks just for 2. Pretty nuts, but it is what it is. Alright, please fit. Yay, look at that. Alrighty. Perfect. Alright guys, I'm an idiot. I forgot I haven't even gotten the spare 40 mounted on the wheels. So I still have this Cooper tire on my spare rim. So this is gonna be the spare I run. This is a 37, 13.5, 17, not a 40, but it'll do for now. This is more for testing, and then I'll probably run and try to get that stuff mounted this week so we can get the 40 on here. Now this is gonna be fun. Don't laugh. All right. Let's see. Oh. Come on. actually easier than I thought it was gonna be, but. Okay guys, I got it on. Coopers are heavy, dude, jeez. This thing's a beefy tire. Maybe it needs a little bit of adjustment. It looks like it's leaning a little bit, but this is for test purposes only. So I'm gonna hop in, take it for a drive. There shouldn't be any bouncing, so we'll run it through a little gauntlet, street gauntlet, and see if everything's good to go. So far, so good. Right there, typically, there's a couple dips in the road that it would bounce in, but I think that solved it. I think it's just so light back there that I mean, it's literally a TJ tub, and that rack doesn't weigh a ton either, but it helps with weight. Bouncing at all, like compared to what it was before. And then without any rack back there, it bounces a ton more. So the rack, spare tire, and then that heavy ass bumper, I think helps balance the Jeep out a little bit more, and it allows it to ride a little bit smoother back there. So huge difference. Be funny, I've been like dailying it back and forth to stores and stuff like that, and I'll be pulling up to a light and I'll hit like a little bump in the road and it'll just like bounce until I come to a complete stop. But I think it's good now. It's such a beautiful day, good God. Okay, that went well. No problems, spare tire didn't shake or anything like that. The back of the Jeep felt stable, and no more bouncing in the back. I think the weight of the tire just at the very back of the Jeep helps a ton, and don't need to worry about it bouncing. It just balances the Jeep out. The next step, I think I need to, hopefully this weekend, try to get this mounted with the 40 and mount that on there, so we're not running two different size tires, because that would be completely pointless. And yeah, so that's done. Fun little project. And then an update on the heater. So I have things kind of scattered about. I have this at like a 45-degree angle. I have this mounted, the filters in a good spot. And I'm getting a code on here, the controller saying E6. E6 is right here, fault of the fan, which I'm assuming is this, because this spins whenever I power it up. And it spins fine for the first like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And then it makes like a weird click noise, and then it stops like something is stopping it. And there's a couple things I've read and tried to figure out, and it has a lot to do with there's magnets there. Something could be interfering with it. So I'm just gonna keep trying to figure some stuff out and see if I can get it working. But yeah, I've just kind of been watching videos, reading stuff, trying to figure it out. And the only error, because it kicks on and runs and everything goes on, but it shuts down after like 15 seconds because of the fan. So I don't know what's going on, but hopefully I can get it figured out. It's the next day, and look who is back from California. He got in, like just 45 minutes ago, got home 45 minutes ago. Yeah.
So glad to be home.
Yeah, so we are preparing the JK for a camping trip, because we leave tomorrow at noon, Monday, for a camping trip, and it's Sunday night and we still haven't done anything. We got to pack and everything. I pulled the JK in here today just so we could start on stuff, but I was gone all day and he just got home. So we're still trying to figure out this diesel heater situation. Maybe he can figure it out too, but it just sucks that out of the box. I mean,
yeah,
it's what we get for not buying a quality one, but you know what? It is what it is. E6 is still the error. I've tried to figure it out, but I don't think it's something we can fix necessarily because it's a faulty fan or something wrong with the fan itself. We'll see what we can do because it'd be really nice to have this.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. So.
Yeah, I mean, God, if we can get it to work, that'd be awesome because we've been talking about doing a diesel heater for years now, and it'd be nice to have something reliable to produce really good heat without worrying about things with flames, buddy heaters, all that stuff, which have worked, but
yeah.
So if we have to return it, we have to return it.
Oh, we'll return it and we'll get another one. But we leave tomorrow for our camping trips, and we're not going to get a new one tomorrow. So it is what it is. You guys saw me put the spare tire and bumper carrier on the Jeep. Jeep's also washed. So we got some good stuff done in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going camping tomorrow, and we'll be gone for I think 3 or 4 nights. I'm probably not going to film anything just because I just want to enjoy the trip and not worry about filming everything. But I'll bring the camera just in case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
See you guys.